Open Google Chrome, click on the ellipsis, scroll down, expand Help, and select About Google Chrome. It will either say Chrome is up to date or automatically install any pending updates for the browser. In case of the latter, make sure to relaunch Google Chrome for the changes to fully come into effect. In Google Chrome, click the ellipsis near the top right, expand Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. You will now find a list of the installed Chrome extensions. Now identify the ones you don't need anymore. These could be the ones that served a one-time purpose or were installed by third-party software. To remove an extension, click on Remove under it and again in the confirmation prompt. The extension and related data will immediately be deleted. In Google Chrome, click the ellipsis near the top right corner and select Settings. Now navigate to the Performance tab from the left. Then scroll down and enable the toggle for Memory Saver. Configure this setting for maximum memory savings. Now scroll further down and enable the toggle for Preload Pages. Under it, you will find two options: Standard Preloading and Extended Preloading. I recommend sticking with Standard Preloading. In Google Chrome, click the ellipsis, expand Extensions, and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Now search for Ad Blocker. You will find several of these. I am using AdGuard Ad Blocker on Chrome. To install it, select the extension, click on Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension in the confirmation prompt. It should be added within a few seconds. In Google Chrome, click the ellipsis, scroll down, and select Settings. Now go to System and enable Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it's already turned on, disable it and check for improvements. On your PC, press Windows and S, type View Network Connections, and click the result. Right-click on the active network adapter and select Properties. Now choose the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 entry, and click on Properties. In here, select the Use the following DNS server addresses option and enter 8888 under Preferred DNS Server and 8844 under Alternate DNS Server. Tick the checkbox for Validate Settings upon exit and click OK to save the changes. In Google Chrome, click the ellipsis near the top right, scroll down, and select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security from the navigation pane and click on Security. Under Safe Browsing, select Enhanced Protection. You can find all its details here. Open Google Chrome and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete keys. Under Delete Browsing Data, select All Time from the drop-down menu, tick the checkboxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click on Delete Data. In Google Chrome, click the ellipsis near the top right, scroll down, and select Settings. Go to Reset Settings from the left pane and then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. In the confirmation prompt, click on Reset Settings. Your browser will now be as fast as it initially was. Quick changes to instantly speed up Google Chrome. Add more RAM to the PC or increase the virtual memory. Make sure there's sufficient free space on the drive where Google Chrome is installed. Make sure you are running the latest version of Windows. Switch to the high-performance power plan. Scan the Windows PC for malware. Update the driver for the active network adapter. Switch to Ethernet if you are currently using Wi-Fi. Upgrade your internet plan to one with a higher speed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.